So I had to take out that boy that was getting paired to her. I did say I was going to put this boy with her in the future. Be putting him sooner. That's gonna be a good pair. That's gonna be a good pair. And that boy's created some good flyers. One got hit by a hawk, which I'm using as a breeding now, as a breeder now. So his son is paired to a saddle. So hopefully we get these saddles. Not expecting much now, but by summer, hopefully get some young ones going. So we're putting this boy to this hen. So we'll see how they go. Can't really do much right now, but at least they're ready for summer. Just a long way to go. Get them paired. Put them in the breeding pen. And they make a few by then. It's a bonus.